All right, we got week 3 already. It seems like the first 2 weeks have already flown by. I'm sure it has for you as well. By now, your body is starting to get accustomed to these workouts. We're starting to add a little bit of complexity. We're starting to add a little bit to every exercise, getting that toolbox, that full range of motion, really starting to feel the workouts. I've heard the second week is much harder than the first week. But trust me, once we get these workouts down, once we get these exercises down, then the fun starts, and that's when we start really playing with the reps and the sets, and I start throwing a little bit different stuff at you. So remember, the body changes from the inside out. So we're 2 weeks in right now. Your body is starting to figure out, what's going on. It's saying, hey, okay, we have this new stress being placed on it. So don't be concerned, don't be discouraged if you haven't seen any changes on the outside yet. Remember, our body changes from the inside out. And I guarantee you those changes are starting to take place right now. So remember, your body's going to adapt to the stresses placed on it. So what we've been doing is adding a little bit here and there over the last couple weeks. The workouts are getting a little bit more difficult, a little bit more intense. Within the next couple weeks, our body's going to start to adapt to that, or super compensate, which means actually grow stronger and get better and hopefully look better than what we originally started with. So let's take a look at the workout this week. Same exact warm-up. We're going to stick with that. And then we go into the pairing. So a couple new exercises. We have the Warrior 3 there, so make sure you check the video out on that one. High plank knee to opposite elbow. Again, that's another variation of the first exercise. 1.5 squat, which I'll show you the video as well. Skydivers, that's a progression from the bird dog exercise. And we got alternating lateral lunge, again a little more difficulty. Alternating T's, and then I added a single leg reach to it. Single leg lateral switch step. Now trust me guys, this one's a lot harder than it looks. So I can't wait for you guys to try that one out. And then we finish up with some abs again. So added 5 minutes to cardio at the end. So we're going 25 minutes at 60% intensity, or a 6 out of 10. So again, you should be doing your cardio 2 or 3 times per week, as much as tolerable. Get that in the morning so there's nothing else that gets in between you and your cardio for the day. And last but not least, we got our challenge of the week, which is Tabata squats. Now if you don't know what a Tabata is, it's basically 20 seconds on and 10 seconds rest for 8 rounds. So what we have is Tabata squats today. You're going to go 20 seconds, as many squats as you can complete in 20 seconds. Break for 10 seconds. As many squats as you can complete in 20 seconds. Break for 10 seconds. So on and so forth for 8 total rounds. Now this only lasts 4 minutes, but trust me, it's really difficult. So pace yourself. But idea is I want you guys to count the total reps that you're able to get in those 4 minutes time. Okay, so in those 8 rounds, as many reps as you possibly can. Record what you got, and then share it with the Facebook group and the rest of us. Last but not least, it's end of week 2, so I want you guys to take your second progress pictures. Okay, so if you haven't taken them the first week or haven't taken them yet, take those right now. You're gonna need them later down the road. But we're 2 weeks in. I want you guys to be taking your second progress picture now. Hopefully you've also done your Cooper test last week. If you haven't done that, also get that in, because there's still time. So we make some progress over the next 7, 8, 9 weeks that we're going to retest in that. And I want everybody to do better than they did the first time. Things I want you guys to work on this week. Make sure you're drinking your water. For the most part, you should be drinking roughly about 1 gallon a day. You can do it however way you want. You can carry a gallon around with you. You can measure off different lines on the gallon just to make sure you're drinking them adequately and evenly throughout the day. Whatever you got to do, there's really no science behind the exact amount that you need, but we just know that you need more. Especially when you're working out more, you're going to get dehydrated. Your body's going to function a lot more efficiently. You're going to have more energy. You're going to be less hungry. Also, you should be kind of getting a little bit of a hold on what our diet should look like by this point. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me and let me know. But for the most part, we're trying to establish our habits at this point. So I know it was all new to a lot of you on week 1, getting a little bit more accustomed week 2. but by week 3, you get a little bit more hold of what I'm trying to teach and what we're trying to do. So stick with that, and in the next couple weeks, we'll be establishing some pretty solid habits here. That's all I got for you this week. Have a great week. Have a safe, fit, and happy day, and I will talk to you soon.